Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to clear YouTube watch history. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First, you have to open your YouTube and then make sure that you're logged into that correct account. Now, what you're going to do here next is you have to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on this gear icon or settings, scroll down, and look for Manage History. Tap on Manage History. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to scroll down and you will see this delete option right here. Let's just tap delete custom range and you can choose what days to delete. So all you have to do is to click that specific date right here, after and before, tap OK. Now you can select the date or change it anytime. But once you're okay with that, then all you have to do is tap on next and then wait for a couple of seconds. Now there is this confirmation. So confirm you would like to delete. Then all you have to do is tap on delete. And it will delete that YouTube history. Now you can also see here auto delete. So if you tap that one, and then basically you can auto delete 36 months, 3 months. So there are options here. All you have to do is to click. After that, tap on next and it will auto delete YouTube history. So that's how you clear YouTube watch history. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.